bring energy, passion, and enthusiasm to your event to set it up for success. I promise that attendees will be tuned in and ready to network. What is your intent versus how are you perceived? This is an important insight when gauging how effective you actually are at networking. Do you quickly engage others? Do you get those business cards and do you return those messages in a timely fashion? Would you like to? Did you know that adults have a 20-second attention span at events? Understanding and navigating communication styles is the key to creating lasting and powerful connections. This session will focus on 3 key areas. Number 1, personality types. 65% of Canadians are actually introverted, and they're better at networking. We're going to dive into extroversion, introversion, how we gather information, how we make decisions, and how to better interact with each other. Number 2, networking skills. How to increase your confidence in your elevator pitch, so how you engage with your clients, conversation starters, of course, are they appropriate and engaging, and effective listening. And these can be used with your coworkers, clients, potential clients, and those that you interact with on a daily basis. Number 3, nonverbal communication. What does your body language say about you? Are you charismatic? More importantly, can you read other people? Personally, this can save your life. Professionally, this can save the conversation. Charisma is a skill that can be developed. Let's collaborate on your upcoming event.